So let's take a look at how to set up Vue.js and also take a look at how to run our first Hello World project. So when you're working with Vue, you are working on the Vue side of your MVC project. Okay, so in order to start with Vue.js, we are going to simply create one index.html file and we are going to call for Vue.js CDN path. Okay, so to get that, go to vuejs.org and here I'm going to click on this get started button. Okay, here you can find that CDN address, copy that. Now let's open one text editor and I have created this boilerplate HTML code here. Okay, so simply add your Vue.js CDN. Okay, after you add this CDN path, inside your body tag, we are going to add one div with ID, let's say app. Okay, you can align this ID to the center of the screen. Okay, once you do that, whatever we do with Vue.js will be bind to this app ID. Okay, so this DOM will be looked up by Vue. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use h1 and I'm gonna get message from Vue that I'm gonna post within this h1 tag. Next thing to do is create a script, and within script what we're gonna do is we are going to create new instance of Vue, and here I'm gonna point the element to app. Okay, don't forget your ID, so it has to be hash mentioned. Okay, if it's some other name, you can bind that with that name as well. Okay, next thing, also we are binding data, so we are going to simply use message equals to hey Devnami. Okay, and make sure to have this in quotes. Okay, once you do that, you are ready to go. Okay, and what we're gonna do after this is we are simply going to open this HTML page in browser, and as you can see, it shows the message hey Devnami. So this is pretty much the simple setup for calling your Vue.js from CDN path. Also, we are calling message in our div ID app. Okay, with this mustache-like syntax where you see message. Okay, so these two curly brackets before and after message will bind it with Vue. Okay, we will go more in detail, but this was a simple explanation on how to bind your Vue with a particular div and how to pass your message through that. Okay, here I have yet to show you how to use developer tools for Vue.js, and also I have yet to show you how to use your form-based data binding. So I will explain that in other videos.